You get to set the tone, right? You get to make the representation for kids who are coming up and young people who are coming up behind you. The players, the staff, not just the coaching staff, but everyone around is fantastic. You get to meet people that you may never have met in a lifetime. You get to build connections with people that you may have never thought you would have built connections with. For myself, being a woman of color, it's definitely important to advocate for yourself. That's one of my biggest things. Advocate on what you know and what you believe, and when you do those things, things will come for you. When you believe that you're accomplishing a lot, opportunities will arise. Put yourself in the situations that you might not have seen someone before like yourself in there, and you might be the first. I think that's the biggest thing, is the opportunity where you might have to be the first to do something, but if you have the belief, a lot will come to fruition. Huge shout out to Securian Canada for sponsoring the CFL Diversity in Football program. It provides opportunities for young people like me to get into pro camps like this and make a difference in a lot of people's lives.